flip side, though, the central bank raised the borrowing costs from 12.5% to 13%, a level last seen in Mwai Kibaki's administration 12 years ago. In a statement, the Monetary Policy Committee chaired by Central Bank Governor Kamau Thugge insisted that these measures had been taken so as to tackle the rising inflation levels. Kisewa Emory tells us more.
In a surprising turn of events, the Monetary Policy Committee has decided to increase the central bank rate by 50 basis points, raising it from 12.5% to 13%. This move is expected to have significant implications for Kenyans, particularly in the realm of borrowing and lending. With this decision, commercial banks are likely to follow suit by raising their lending rates, making loans more expensive for borrowers. Interest rates for high-risk borrowers could soar beyond 24%, putting strain on those servicing bank loans and mortgages in the near future. The decision to hike the central bank rate has been attributed to ongoing inflationary pressures and exchange rate volatility, despite the central bank's previous rate increase from 10.5% to 12.5% in December. The CBK governor says that the Kenyan shilling has depreciated beyond its equilibrium value, saying that the central bank might intervene to stabilize the currency.
I've been of the view that the exchange rate has overshot its equilibrium value. I'm of the view that the current rate is not really consistent with the macroeconomic fundamentals, and it's elevated. And therefore, I can't give you a specific rate, but we, as I indicated, we do believe that with the actions that we have now taken and what is expected inflows of foreign exchange, that the exchange rate should stabilize and move towards that rate that is consistent with the strong macroeconomic fundamentals.
Additionally, there is optimism regarding external investment in the infrastructure bond currently available in the market, which is expected to bring in more foreign currency reserves.
In addition to all that, of course, we have seen some interest by foreign investors in government securities. We are in the process of issuing the infrastructure bond, and we have seen significant foreign interest in purchasing the infrastructure bond. And therefore, we expect also foreign exchange to come in from the purchase of the infrastructure bond.
Furthermore, the governor has expressed confidence in the country's ability to repay the Eurobond that is set to mature in June this year, providing reassurance amidst economic uncertainties.
Just want to assure the Kenyans that one, we have the resources, the money that is coming in from the World Bank, from regional institutions, from the international multilateral institutions, our accessing capital markets, that this risk that of the Eurobond will be, in my view, will be completely eliminated, and that should also contribute to a strengthening of the shilling.
The pain of the increase is set to be felt by ordinary Kenyans, even as the central bank continues fighting inflation and stabilize the national currency. Kisewa Emory, TV4.